You're about to have fun when you get some from the TikTok shop and they send you these when you get that. Let's go. Let's go. It's a nail into steel. So now we get our equipment. Safety first, people. So, you ready? Yeah, that didn't work. Yeah. So clearly we have a winner. This is meant for steel. Look at that. That is a good, no. Definitely not. Look at it, cracked it. There's nothing left, okay? The wood, and this, I don't even know where'd it go. It's on the back side of the wood. Don't use it on drywall. So let's do one more. Yeah. Beautiful. Make sure you use this for the proper material. This is for purposes of promoting a product. Clearly, as you can see, it works with steel. If you are interested in one, the link's right here. Go grab it.